everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get good quality videos on Capcut. Now for this tutorial, you may see the video and you can drag this on the line and you can go to effects and go to the comic, and once you're there you might click on the black and white sketch effect and layer it above the video. Once it's done, you might add also another effect. This is the blur effect. You can also drag it down and layer it above. And once you're done, you can export the video. Now you may delete this other filter. Now you may delete this other effect. And you might add another one. You can go back to comic. And we're going to add these neon effect. You can still layer this on top of the other effect. And after that, you might click export. So once it's done, you may clear on the effects you've added and go to media and import those two videos we just exported earlier. So the imported videos are ready. So you might add the first one and the second at the top. Now for the first video, you might go to videos and basic and go to blend and click on color burn and set it to 70%. You can go to the second one and click on color dodge. And for the opacity, you might set it depending on what your video looks like, and you want to make sure that it is on good quality. Once you're done, you want to try playing your video, and you can go to adjustments. And in this setting, you might see that you can set the temperature and the use for this video. After that, you want to make sure that the resolution of your video is on 4K. And you can now click export. And that's it. This is how to get good quality videos on CapCut. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.